When you choose the proper high-temperature wire for high-heat environments, it reduces truly unnecessary costly downtime. Accordingly, our 1X-Tech high-temp electrical and electronic single-conductor and multi-conductor cables are scientifically proven to protect your equipment when you require top-of-the-line performance under extreme heat. 1X Technologies Cable Company manufactures exceptional quality high-temperature cables and high-temp wire, including TGGT, SRML, FEP Teflon, silicone braid, heat trace, high voltage high temp, equivalents to Belden high temperature wire, alternatives to lap Oleflex, high temp flexible cable, and so much more. Contact us today at 1xtechnologies.com for free pricing on American-made high temp wire and cable. 1X Technologies, because you require quality quickly.